Hi, hello. My name is Janani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Rathinam College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss about finance and financial decisions. Okay, let us see what is financial decision. We know that finance is the lifeblood of business. Without finance, no business can sustain in the long run. So here finance is defined as the management of money. It includes various activities such as investing, borrowing, lending, budgeting, saving and forecasting. And in broader sense, finance may be described as an activity associated with banking, leverage or debt, credit, capital market, money and investment. So let us see what are the financial decisions are here. Financial decision. There are four main financial decisions which we take in our business organization. Okay, so there are the first financial decision is capital budgeting or long-term investment decision. Okay, then second one is capital structure or financing decision. Then third one is dividend decision, and at last we will see working capital management decision. Investment decision. A financial decision which is concerned with how much funds is to be, how much finance or fund is to be invested in various fixed asset is known as investment decision. Investment decision can be long term or short term. A long term investment, it is also called capital budgeting decision because it involves huge amount of money. Okay. Then it is also irreversible because if we invested once means it cannot be irrecoverable. Okay. Then again we come to short term investment decision. It is also called working capital decision because it affects the day to day affairs of an organization. So it is called as working capital decision. Let us see, if a bad capital budgeting decision is taken by the financial manager, what will happen? It will severely damage the financial fortune of a business. If it is a bad working capital decision means it will also affect the liquidity and profitability of the business. Then what are the factors affecting investment decisions or capital budgeting decisions are? Several factors which will affect the investment decision. First one is cash flows of the project. There are some cash flows which come inside the organization and which flow outside the organization. So it also affects the investment decisions. Then next one is rate of return. The rate of return means what we get when we invest in some fixed asset, that is rate of return. So the rate of return or percentage of rate of return also affect the investment decision. Then the third one is investment criteria involved. The various investment proposal which we adopt while investing is the investment criteria. It also affect the investment decision. Financing decision. A financing decision means it is a decision regarding how much funds to be allocated and how much funds to be raised for the sake of the business. So business financial decision which involves the amount of funds raised from various sources of finance such as long term sources or short term sources. Long term sources include equity shares, preference share, debentures and all. And short term sources means below 1 year. The sources which we can be able to raise and it is repayable within 1 year is called short term source of finance. Factors affecting financial decision: cost, risk, flotation cost, cash flow, position of the business. These are the factors which affect the financial decision of a business organization. The cost of raising finance from various sources also affect the financing decision. Then the risk which involved in the sources of finance also affect the business organization's financial position. Flotation cost. Flotation cost means the cost involved in acquiring the security is called the flotation cost. It also affects the business organization's performance. Then at last but not least, cash flow position of the business. Cash flow position is, if it is good means we can able to borrow how much fund we needed, we can able to borrow. Thank you.